Welcome back to my channel, where I review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, I have an exciting product to share with you that will revolutionize the way you tackle humidity in your home. Introducing the PTHRAO UTA Dehumidifier for Basement, Bathroom, RV, Home, Closet, Indoor. Oz Water Tank Square FT Small Dehumidifier Safe Mini Drainage Auto Off Odor Removal Decor Portable Dehumidifier Colorful Lights Remove Moisture Quiet Silent Car Dehumidifier Dry Sleep. This compact and powerful dehumidifier is a game changer, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Let's start with its high efficiency and safety features. With a size of just inches, this portable dehumidifier packs a punch. It has a capacity of Oz ml and can absorb approximately Oz ml of moisture daily in a closed small room with a humid environment. That's impressive. Plus, it has an auto shut-off function to prevent overflows. When the water tank is full, the indicator turns red, ensuring your safety and convenience. But this dehumidifier is not just about removing moisture. It's a multifunctional device that also eliminates odors and releases fresh air, creating a healthy and comfortable environment for you and your family. And the best part? It operates with ultra-quiet technology, ensuring a peaceful and serene atmosphere in your home. With just a touch of a button, you can control this dehumidifier effortlessly. Now, let's talk about its energy efficiency. This smart dehumidifier features colorful rainbow soothing lights that not only create a romantic atmosphere but also provide a relaxing mood when you're using it. And the best part? It uses only W with high-speed brushless turbo blades, saving energy and electricity while achieving high energy efficiency. Say goodbye to high energy bills. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its automatic drainage system. You can connect it to a water pipe for automatic drainage, even when you're not at home. This feature adds convenience to your life and ensures that your space remains comfortable and moisture-free. Portability is another key aspect of this dehumidifier. With its compact size, you can easily take it to every corner of your home or any closed space. Whether it's your bathroom, bedroom, living room, basement, kitchen, office, school, RV, car, or closet, this dehumidifier will work wonders. It's also a fantastic gift for your loved ones who struggle with humidity issues. Now, let's hear what satisfied users have to say about this product. Amanda Wise, a verified buyer, installed this dehumidifier in her RV and found it to be a perfect solution. Emily Chen, another happy customer, lives in a tiny room in Boston, and this dehumidifier does wonders for her. She highly recommends it for small spaces. Romanoff praises the product for doing exactly what it claims in the description. These testimonials speak volumes about the effectiveness of this dehumidifier. However, it's important to note that there are a few minor drawbacks. Some users mentioned that the buttons on the dehumidifier are a bit too sensitive. Jeff, another reviewer, pointed out that the size of the dehumidifier is quite small, making it more suitable for compact spaces. But despite these minor flaws, the overall consensus is overwhelmingly positive. In conclusion, the PTHRAO UTA dehumidifier is a must-have for anyone dealing with humidity issues. Its high efficiency, safety features, multifunctionality, energy efficiency, and portability make it a top-notch product. With testimonials from satisfied users and an average rating of out of stars, you can trust that this dehumidifier delivers on its promises. Don't let humidity ruin your comfort and well-being. Invest in the PTHRAO UTA dehumidifier today and experience the difference it can make in your home. Click the link in the video description to purchase this incredible product on Amazon. Remember, by using the link, you not only support my channel but also ensure that you're getting the genuine product. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest product reviews. Stay dry and comfortable, my friends.